In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under the subtopic commercial banks and financial institutions. So guys, we have about 18 to 20 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says securities are described as listed when we have mobilized as long-term debt instrument traded on a recognized stock market, mobilized as short-term debt instrument, bought and sold purely for development purposes. Right answer is option B, which is traded on a recognized stock market. Alright, next question is this one. It says one of the challenges facing the banking industry in Nigeria is ensuring technological security, creating more money, providing loans for investment, providing employment. The right answer is option A, which is ensuring technological security. The next question is this one. It says one of the functions of commercial banks is, we have option A, granting loans to customers, regulating monetary policies, maintaining stable price in the economy, issuing banknotes and coins. So the right answer is option A, which is granting loans to customers. Very, very important. The next question is this one. It says the term money at call and short notice in a bank's assets represents the bank loans to, we have the money market, industry and commerce, overseas central bank, the capital market. So guys, the right answer to this question is option A, which is the money market. Okay, next question is this one. It says the downturn in the prices of shares on stock market is a highlight of, we have the invincible hand, the regulatory nature of the market, efficient allocation of resources, consumer rationality. The right answer is option B, which is the regulatory nature of the market. Okay, very important. Next question is this one. It says Nigeria, the bank that can correctly be described as a unit bank is, we have Community Bank, the Central Bank, Mortgage Bank, People's Bank. The right answer is option A, which is Community Bank. Okay, next question, it says bank consolidation policy in Nigeria is a measure to increase, we have option A, employment opportunities in the banks, the number of branches, the capital base of bank, number of shareholders. So guys, the right answer to this question is that bank consolidation policy in Nigeria is a measure to increase the capital base of banks. Okay, very, very important. Next question is this one. It says the capitalization policy will enable commercial banks to open more branches, reduce interest rates, employ more qualified workers, have a strong capital base. So guys, the right answer is option D, which is have a strong capital base. The next question is this one. Banks create money by, we have giving drafts to customers, lending out deposits to borrowers, printing more money, issuing checks. So guys, the right answer to this question is option B, which is banks create money by lending out deposits to borrowers. Okay, the next question is this one. It says merchant bank and commercial bank share the same function except accepting deposits, providing foreign trade service, equipment license, leasing, fixing the exchange rate. So guys, merchant bank and commercial bank share the same function except fixing the exchange rate. Okay, option D is the right answer. That's the exception. Next question is this one. It says the saving deposit in a commercial bank is called, we have fund, capital, call money, near money. The right answer to this question is option D, which is near money. Okay, the next question is this one. It says two principal ways by which banks can lend money to their customers are through, we have overdrafts and checks, overdrafts and treasury bills, loans and overdrafts, loans and discounting bills. The right answer is option C, which is loans and overdrafts. Okay, the next question is this one. It says the stock exchange is an example of the, we have capital market, labor market, money market, commodity market. The right answer is option A, which is capital market. Very, very important. The stock exchange is an example of the capital market. Next question is this one. It says which of the following is the main and oldest function of commercial bank? As acts as agent of payment, none of the above, acceptance of deposit, granting loans and advances. So the right answer is acceptance of deposits. Okay, so that's the main and oldest function of commercial banks. Next question is this one. It says When interest rates are high and still rising, the list. Cost method used by public limited companies to obtain additional funds for their operations is by without selling new ordinary shares to the general public, obtain short-term loans from commercial banks, obtain lifetime loans from commercial banks, selling floating rate debenture stocks to the general public. The right answer is option D, which is selling floating rate debenture block stocks to the general public. The next question is this one. It says an advantage of electronic banking is that it enables a customer to operate joint accounts from different locations, reduces risk of bank fraud, enables many customers to operate joint accounts, enables a customer to operate his account from different locations. The right answer is option D, which is it enables a customer to operate his account from different locations. Alright, the last question before I end this video is this one. It says a bank is said to be distressed when it, while option A has a low capital base, is unable to deal with the central bank, experiences serious liquidity crisis, has low level of deposits. So the right answer is option C, which is experiences serious liquidity crisis. So guys, this basically can deal with problems around commercial banks and financial institution for your JAMB economics problems. So practice with about 18 to 23 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding the things I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the JAMB button. You'll be getting premium information that help you to excel in your external exams like a JAMB and other external exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the end screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.